So we are here to work on a problem called as minimum cost to move chips to the same position. It is a daily problem of Leetcode for today. So we have got n chips where the position of ith chip is position I. We have, let's say, 3 chips here. So position of the first chip is this one. Position of second chip is this one. Position of third chip is 3. What the question says is that we need to move all the chips to the same position. So all of these chips need to be moved to the same position, as you can see here. So this finally goes into this shape. In one step, we can change the position of ith chip from position I to +2, -2, or +1, -1. So this means this particular coin can go either here or here. When it goes to -1 or +1, then it costs 1. If it goes to -2 or +2, then it costs 0. So we need to make these movements in such a way so that the total cost is minimized, right? So I think this is an interesting question, and it feels like a difficult one, but the trick is very easy. Let's see. So for example, I have created this positions array here, and every position tells you the location of the ith chip. So 0th chip has the location 0, first chip has the location 1. So there is this visual representation of this array here. So now what we need to do is we need to put these chips on top of each other and finally in the same column. And when we do this, we need to minimize this cost. So let us see how we can do that. Because the movement from any position to +2 or movement from any position to -2 is free of cost. We can see that we can easily create 2 piles so that they are next to each other and there will be no cost involved, right? So let's try and do that. So 0 goes to, let's say, yep, so 0 goes to 2, 3 goes to 1, then 5 goes to 3, and then from 3 it goes all the way on top of 1, and then 6, in fact both of them, right? So 6 goes to 4, and then 4 goes to 2. So here 6 goes to 4, and then 4 goes to 2, then 7. So 7 we can directly take it to 1. Yeah, so 7 to 5, 5 to 3, then 3 to 1, then about 9. So 9 to 7, 7 to 5, 5 to 3, and then 1. So this is the current position. And to reach this state, we did not have to spend any money. Now, in order to make a pile, if you move all of these here, you will have to pay 1 for each of them. Or if you move all of these here, then you will have to pay 1 for each of them. Obviously, you will select the one which costs less. So in this particular case, it will cost us 4. In this particular case, this is going to cost us 6. So we'll obviously go with the one which is the smaller one, right? So I think this is easy. We'll just move all of them on top of this one, somewhere here. And that's the answer. So how to solve it in code? What we can do is we can go through this positions array and we can see which are the odd numbers and which are the even numbers. We can make a count of all of them, and then we can see which is the lower count. Whatever the lower count is going to be our answer, right? I hope the reasoning is clear from this example. So let's go and implement this. I'll be coding this solution in JavaScript. So let us take odd as 0, and let's take even as 0 at the beginning of the loop, and then loop over this positions array. If position I is even, this tells you if it is even or not. So if it is even, then we increase even number, hence we increase the number of odds that we have got. That should be easy. And in the end, we return whichever is lower. I think that should do. Yep, submit. Yes, we have got the answer. So that's all. Thanks a lot.